Concrete canvas is part of a revolutionary new class of construction materials called geosynthetic cementitious composite mats, GCCMs, replacing conventional concrete in erosion control applications. It is a flexible, concrete-filled geotextile that hardens on hydration to form a thin, durable, and waterproof concrete layer. Essentially, it's concrete on a roll. Concrete Canvas GCCM CC allows concrete construction without the need for plant or mixing equipment. Just add water. It is primarily used by irrigation districts, DOTs, major oil and gas companies, and the Army Corps of Engineers for a variety of construction projects, including channel lining, slope protection, secondary containment berm lining, weed suppression, culvert lining, and concrete remediation. Concrete Canvas GCCM has a small logistical footprint. A single bulk roll of CCT can provide the equivalent coverage area of two 17-ton pump trucks. Concrete Canvas GCCM is typically 10 times faster to install than conventional concrete and reduces health and safety risk. This video explains how to install Concrete Canvas GCCM for ditch lining. Concrete Canvas GCCM is available in large bulk rolls or as smaller batched rolls. Bulk rolls offer the quickest installation, but must be deployed using heavy lifting equipment. For sites where this isn't suitable, portable batched rolls can be installed without the need for plant. Concrete Canvas is available in three variants: CCT3, CCT2, and CCT1. Generally, CCT1 is only specified for reinstating existing concrete channels. CCT2 is the most commonly specified variant and can be laid directly onto a soil substrate. CCT3 is used for projects with very high flow rates or where the material is likely to be heavily loaded. Concrete Canvas GCCM can be laid longitudinally along the ditch or transversely across the width. To perform this task, you will need sufficient concrete canvas to complete your job, safety glasses, mask and gloves, cutting equipment, utility knife or disc cutter, metal galvanized J-pegs or approved soil anchor, a club hammer, an auto-fed screwdriver and stainless steel screws or alternative method to join the concrete canvas layers, a water supply. To lower permeability between the joints, an optional sealant applicator gun and sufficient sealant may be required. For all installations, observe the 4 installation principles: avoid voids, secure the concrete canvas, prevent ingress, and hydrate fully. This is the procedure for lining a channel with Concrete Canvas GCCM and is suitable for both bulk and batched rolls, whether laying longitudinally or transversely. Any vegetation and sharp or protruding rocks should be removed from the channel. The channel should have a uniform profile for ease of future maintenance. A shallow anchor trench should be cut into the shoulders of the ditch. Remove packaging and unroll across the ditch profile, ensuring the fibrous top surface faces upwards, with the PVC membrane in contact with the ground. For transverse layup, tuck the cut edge of the Concrete Canvas GCCM into the anchor trench before cutting to length. When positioning subsequent layers, ensure there is at least a 4-inch overlap in the direction of water flow. Fix the material into the anchor trench with the pegs through each overlap or at 6-foot intervals in a longitudinal installation. Hydrate the material under the overlapped sections of the Concrete Canvas GCCM. Once hydrated, the material remains workable for 1 to 2 hours. The impermeability of the joint can be improved by applying an adhesive sealant prior to screwing. Insert stainless steel screws at 4 to 8 inch centers, 1.2 to 2 inches from the edge of the joint. When terminating at the upstream and downstream ends, ensure the concrete canvas GCCM is properly secured to the substrate and water is not allowed to ingress under the material. For soil substrates, the concrete canvas GCCM edge should be pegged and buried within the anchor trench. When terminating onto existing concrete infrastructure, such as a head wall, the concrete canvas edge should be mechanically attached to the concrete and sealed with a concrete fillet, for example. On rocky or concrete substrates, the perimeter edge should be mechanically secured and sealed with a concrete fillet or sealant. After attaching and joining, spray the concrete canvas GCCM with water to hydrate. A minimum volume of water equal to 40% of the material weight is required. For example, CCT2 requires 1.5 gallons of water per 10 square foot of material. It is not possible to overhydrate concrete canvas GCCM. To check proper hydration, the concrete canvas GCCM should feel wet to the touch several minutes after hydration. It is not recommended to rely on rainfall to provide hydration. The anchor trenches should be backfilled after hydration. CC hardens to strength in 24 hours and is then ready for use. Concrete canvas line ditches are installed faster compared to conventional concrete methods, safe and easy to install, require minimal maintenance, and provide long-term scour protection. For further information, please visit www.concretecanvas.us.